All right, on today's episode, we have a suspicious RV, model hair, and Batman, and most importantly, Domino's cheesy pepperoni bread.
Get ready for it.
Okay, I'm at Domino's trying the new stuffed crust cheesy bread, but by popular demand, Robin is back. And Robin's back.
Indeed. By popular demand?
Okay, you know this is such a dad joke, right?
Yes, it is. And I am a dad.
And you're a dad. Not Robin, the original Robin.
Yes,
It's
this
Dan.
mask would have been much better for the Oreos.
Oh, yes, it would have been. It would have been. So, stuffed cheesy bread. I know you love Domino's.
Oh, yeah.
Love Domino's. So,
Okay, that made me laugh.
there's an RV right next to us, and there's probably people in this RV.
Oh, yeah, they're enjoying this.
And they're,
enjoying
we're going to be on Influencers in the Wild. With you changing your shirt
outside in like 900 degrees heat.
Yes, it is officially 96 right now. All right, I had to get ranch. I know you're really excited about that.
Team Ranch, right here. Look at it.
See, you do love the ranch. All right, this is like super hot.
That's even better. Those Domino's people rock.
So,
Oh,
look at all that.
she pulled it off. The
The
cheesy
cheese
goo.
pool. The cheese
It was
pool.
like an Italian restaurant.
All right, there you go. So, let me tell you.
And this is pepperoni stuffed. Oh, I see a piece.
Yes, they have other stuffed, which I don't know if those are new. The only thing it says new is the pepperoni. So it's 8 pieces of oven-baked breadsticks stuffed with cheese, pepperoni, all covered in a blend of cheese made with 100% mozzarella, cheddar, and a touch of garlic and parmesan.
Do you know why they cut it into 8 pieces?
No.
Because 9 would just be too many. I'd be full by the time I got there.
I'm going to say because they could equally cut it.
Just 9 is just way too many.
Why not 10?
Oh, nobody can eat 10. But you could totally eat 8.
But is this for one person? And it was $7.99?
That's a good price for this.
But you can get a pizza for $7.99 too.
But there's 0 sauce. I guess it's not pizza.
Well, you could have got
It's
sauce.
cheesy.
I chose instead of marinara.
We could have had marinara.
Yes. But
So now we're going to dip it in mayonnaise with spices.
I wanted to make you try it in ranch.
Seriously? We could have had marinara?
Yes.
I'll dip the untouched side ranch.
I'm sorry, it's not a very good ranch.
That's fine. I thought it was a pretty good ranch.
Of course.
But
Okay.
it doesn't add, it just makes it taste like it has ranch on it.
I actually think this could use some.
Marinara.
It's very cheesy. Could have used more pepperoni probably.
Oh, it's so yummy.
You think? Well, maybe the piece I got didn't have much pepperoni.
This is the yummiest bread.
It is like you can see it in there. It's very greasy. So you like their pizza. I haven't had their pizza in a long time.
Is this the same crust as their pizza? Because it's really yummy.
I think it's a breadstick dough. Is that the same as their pizza dough? I would think so.
I mean, you would think so. But
Do you like it better than their pizza?
yeah,
You actually have a cape too.
of course Robin has a cape. These people have been asking for Robin
They have.
for weeks.
They have.
I didn't even know they knew I was Robin. Like, I thought it was a secret.
Greasy, yes. I think it's pretty good. I think
This is fantastic.
for the price, I mean, I guess it's an equivalent of a pizza, just
Yeah,
folded.
that's a calzone.
True. True. What did I do with that?
This is truly cheesy bread.
Cheesy stuffed bread.
So I feel like
You want another one?
Domino, yeah.
You can eat 8 of them.
I feel like the Domino's chef guy, he probably was thinking maybe we should actually put some more effort into the breadsticks other than just repurposing our crust.
But I think they have 3 other ones, but I just think the pepperoni is new. But the regular price of these are $8.98
What's the $7.99 price for?
because I got 20% off
From what?
for being nice. It's nice discount. The entire order is a special they have. So I got $1.80 off. So it was $7.88. So is that, because it was 70 cents tax. So is $8.98 too high? I think it is.
I feel like if you ate that, you're not eating other food. That's your whole entree. That's a lot of bread.
It is a lot of bread.
And I think $8.98 is a normal, ridiculously high entree price.
Right. So, but you can get 2 if you got it's the pick 2. You get $6.99 each. So we could have got like a dessert and this for $6.99 each.
So when you were going to spend $8.99, now you're going to spend $15.
No, you're spend 12. I mean, 13, 14. 14.
Well,
anyway, instead of
this is the math
9,
they don't teach in school.
instead of 9. So once again, it's today's prices. So what are you going to do?
I really like the buy 2 get 1 free at the grocery store.
Or 1 for 50%.
You only need 1 jar of olives, but all of a sudden you have 3.
But
you feel like you got a deal. But, even though the other jars will just sit in there forever and you no longer have that money.
You don't have to buy 2, right?
How do you do buy 2 get 1 free?
Buy 2 you can, but buy 1 get 1 free.
Yeah, sometimes. Depends on the store.
Kroger, you want another piece?
No, it's too good actually.
You don't want another piece?
I probably shouldn't, because this Robin shirt fit great until I was at home and I thought, 2-cent chick is gonna want me to iron it. So I ironed it.
Get on with
guess
your
what?
shirts.
Now it's like skin tight.
Because the iron did that?
Yes.
Okay.
I put it on right before the iron. I was like, oh, this is a little baggy.
Oh, I've never heard of the iron shrinking things.
Right. Now I'm like, I just want to breathe again.
So, what would you give this? 1 to 5. Of breadsticks you've had, 5.
Yeah.
I would give it
4.75. No, I'm giving it 5. That's a good cheesy breadstick.
And what I like, I know people get on me saying, I know it's really hot in here.
But I will say that is it cheaper to get it without pepperoni, or is it the same price?
I think they were the same price. I'll have to see. There wasn't a lot of pepperoni.
The pepperoni is negligible.
It could have added more pepperoni.
Yeah. It makes no difference.
But to me, it didn't have as much cheese as I was expecting, which for me
is great.
Is a good thing. Yes. Because some cheese,
like
stuffed crust, is too much. But I think this is good. I am a fan. I mean, the garlic or the Parmesan garlic on top.
So yummy.
Could I maybe a little more garlic? I don't know.
No.
I feel like we should wave at these people.
She's a little crazy. It doesn't need more garlic. It's fantastic by itself.
But marinara probably would have been good. Or the butter. Don't they have a butter side? A little overheating there.
I think you should do the entire video in front of this fan thing. Because your hair is like, it's like in a movie. Yeah, see? That's excellent. That adds a lot to the video. Nobody can hear us, but it adds a lot.
Alright, so you're giving it a 5. I'll give it a 4. Oh, yeah, I have these new little microphones, and I just touched it, so it's probably a bunch of static. I'll give it a 4.5. I think they're
because you think it needed more garlic.
Yeah, I have a high standard here. It's like 5 has got to be like the best I've ever had.
Have you had a better breadsticky thing?
I think so.
Oh.
But you got to leave room. Because what if something comes up and then you're like, oh, that's better than that.
That's what 5.5 is for.
It ends at 5. Cap at 5. All right. I recommend these. If you want to get 2 things for $6.99 each.
Yes.
Or go for the large pizza for $7.99 or medium pizza for $7.99.
I will say it's a strange thing to release in August.
Why is that?
I just don't think of eating hot cheesy bread when it's 900 degrees out.
I think about back to school and everything that's going on, sports and stuff. So it's an easy pickup.
It would be an easy pickup.
Then you have like 10 pizzas in your car the other night.
We did have 10 pizzas in the car because that's what we eat at our house. There are a lot of people.
So you eat a lot of pizza.
And some of them eat an entire pizza on their own.
Oh. Mm.
And we have to order gluten-free pizzas, which are never the size you think they're going to be. They're always 48% of what you think.
And 48% more.
We took the gluten out, and now it just squished together.
All right. So if you try the Domino's stuffed pepperoni cheesy bread.
If they don't have the pepperoni, no problem.
If they have cheese, they have one with spinach and feta.
Can I order a pizza on that? Like, can they make the pizza on the bread? See, that would be awesome.
Are you sure it's not the same?
If they just opened it with that crust on the bottom?
If you work for Domino's, is it the same?
See, like if you opened it, whoosh,
you want to open face breadsticks.
And then the garlicky, cheesy crust would be on the bottom and all the pizza stuff on the top? Oh,
so he wants it like this.
Yeah, spread that out. Put your pizza stuff on.
So as you can see here, as I'm dissecting this, the cheese is on the bottom with the pepperoni, which is good. I'm glad they didn't put it on top too. That would have been too much. So I think it's good. I would recommend some sauce, either the marinara or the garlic butter.
Elementary, my dear Watson.
Sorry. I thought the ranch would do it for me. But
oh, wait.
So, Robin, I appreciate you.
I meant to say 2-cent chick. Those are fantastic.
Oh, your children love you, don't they?
Maybe we should call the commissioner.
All right, we're going to go now.
Okay.
We appreciate you watching. We hope you have a wonderful day. And I have like stuff all over my hands. So we appreciate you watching.
I don't.